Today, I'm answering this simple question. What is a content calendar in digital marketing? I'm going to define it and share an example of one of my own. So let's get to it. Hey everyone, I'm Robin the Copy Bitch. I've been a freelance copywriter and content writer since 2002. If you're new here, welcome. Today's question is straightforward. What is a content calendar in digital marketing? Well, a content calendar, sometimes called an editorial calendar, is simply a place where content teams keep track of all the details around the various pieces of content that's being produced. Think things like topics and deadlines and who's creating what. Now remember, digital marketing involves any marketing that happens online. And content is what makes the digital marketing world go round. Content can take many forms like blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, white papers, guides, infographics, ebooks, and that is not an exhaustive list. Note, I have a video called The Beginner's Guide to Digital Marketing, which I'll link to above and below. But getting back to content calendars, again, a content calendar in digital marketing simply helps content teams keep track of all the moving pieces. A content calendar can be as simple as an Excel spreadsheet or a Google spreadsheet like the one I'm flashing on my screen. This is my down and dirty content calendar for my business blog. I was refreshing and revising my existing content, and I kept track of all the details on this little handy calendar. You'll see columns like blog title, URL, status, keywords, notes, etc. I did this content calendar in Google Spreadsheets. But there are online project management software products that can help content teams create more in-depth calendars. These products include Monday, Asana, Basecamp, Smartsheet, ClickUp, just to name a few. If you're thinking about creating a content calendar for yourself or maybe a small client that doesn't already have its own in-house calendar product, I recommend using Google Spreadsheets to start since it's free, that's my favorite price, it's fairly intuitive, and it's easy to share. The sharing part is essential. You want everyone involved with content creation to have access to the same calendar so that you're essentially all playing from the same sheet music, so to speak. You can always upgrade to something more robust if you need it. Got a question about content marketing or copywriting or content writing? Leave it in the comments or check out my other videos. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because that helps me out, or consider buying me a cup of coffee. Link about that below. I am Robin the Copy Bitch, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!